Yes.
Okay. Hi, welcome to season 2 of Get Fit with Clark. This season, I'm going to teach you a couple of drills that you can do since the gyms are closed. All you got to do is find yourself an empty or semi-empty food truck court, or like a parking lot, or like a church or something like that, where you can just run around outside and practice these drills. The first drill I'm going to teach you is the back pedal drill. This is a great drill for like basketball, football, baseball, tennis, sometimes ping pong, croquet, hockey, but with like skates. Anyway, what you need to do, you want your feet about shoulder width apart. You want your weight over your knees and toes right there. If you go too far back, you're gonna fall back, land on your wrist, break your wrist. Happened to me when I was a kid playing tennis. Anyway, so what you're gonna do, you want to back pedal, and you just want to go start out slow and work your way up, getting faster. Just back pedal. Just back pedal. Just back pedal. Just back pedal. You might want to find a bigger spot than this, because I just ran into that table.